It's intense. Our schedule and the music is demanding, but it's really rewarding.
We get to work with some really awesome professionals, and that's a really cool experience.
And it gives you such an exponential way to grow.
And the Eastern Music Festival has grown. From its early beginning in 1962 as a small, modest music camp, the EMF now brings hundreds of the best young musicians, music faculty, and professionals to the beautiful campus of Guilford College in Greensboro. Here, these aspiring students practice and perform for 6 intense weeks.
Shelley Morgenstone, who started the festival 60 years ago, had a vision for what he wanted. He wanted a professional orchestra, and he wanted all of those professionals teaching students.
The kids, that is really what it's all about. These young people come from all over the country, they come from all over the world, and they bring with them such a wealth of talent and such energy.
There's so much energy in the air all the time, just, being around so many people with the same passion as you, and you can just hear music wherever you go. It's amazing.
I've played so much music I've never played before. I've met so many great people.
I enjoy being around students and faculty that are equally as determined to be great players. It's just a once-in-a-lifetime thing, and you're never really going to be around the same people again.
I think just being with like musicians that like to play and are interested and work hard, it's really rewarding.
You're not just colleagues with these people. We're not just part of the same orchestra. We're living together. We're roommates, all of us, practically, which just creates such a bond, and I think it translates to our music.
That bond has led to a group of over 10,000 alumni who, like today's students, have been taught the rigors and discipline required to perform at a professional level.
I think it's a good introduction to the real working musical world because it is intense and there's a lot of time constraints. Here we only have, a couple days to learn all our new music for the next concert. We have them weekly. So it's really a good way to learn what the real professional world is like and how to manage that with your time.
I've been given a lot of great opportunities, playing very difficult pieces, and when I first get them, I'm like, how can I do this? But, after a week of working and trying really hard, it's, I've risen to the challenge, and it's awesome.
I've never had to get, like a program ready that quickly, but they're preparing us to be professionals, so.
And I always say my favorite part of the day is watching the kids, just the light bulbs go off, just to see that moment when it's in a rehearsal or it's in a performance and everything clicks and, they met as strangers and they suddenly are performing as an ensemble, and it's magic. It's magic.
But the intense rehearsals are coupled with fellowship and friendships made, as a visit to the dining hall reveals. From shared meals to shared practices, life on the campus at Guilford brings its own rewards.
I've met so many great people. My ability as a player has just been greatly expanded on, and I love it here.
The late afternoon summer sun seems to bathe Guilford College in a magical light as the students prepare for the evening concert. Tonight's performance is a symphony by Dvorak.
Our concerts are what one would consider casual. In other words, you don't have to get dressed up to come. There are no airs. Our hall, Dana Auditorium here on the Guilford College campus, one of the best acoustical halls in the country, but it's not, can I say, fancy. It's a down-home, wonderful place to hear great music. And we're so thrilled to be here at Guilford College. And it has become a destination place.
I'm extremely looking forward to performing the Dvorak tonight, and we've worked so hard on it, and I'm really excited for everybody to hear the beauty of it.
And that beauty can be heard in performances large and small at the Eastern Music Festival. The Eastern Music Festival runs from June 24th through July 29th. 2023 on the campus of Guilford College in Greensboro. For tickets and more information, visit their website at easternmusicfestival.org.